So hello guys, good morning and welcome to another one. So before us is another potential coin that has the ability of surging massively. So I am going to take a dive right into the technicals of this coin, and then from the technicals we will know if this coin is actually set to follow my bias of a massive surge or a massive dump. So before us is a coin called UNIUSDT. So diving right into the technicals, I am going to first of all look at my structure, my market structure. So as you can see, this coin has actually been on a downtrend from this very point down to this very point. So I'm going to map out my structure, my market structure, which is the reason why I had to put this here and this other line here. So the move came like this, down, up, okay. I hope I can. So the move came like this, okay. I don't know if you can see that. So let me color this. Let me use another color for this. Can I use red? No, I can't use red. Okay, let me use black. So the move, so the move actually came in this. I don't know if you can see this. So putting it here, this is how the move came. Okay, so I'm going to do something like this. That's why I'm drawing this. I'm drawing this. That is lower high, lower low. I don't know if you can get that. Lower high, lower low. Okay, so now the next thing is, okay, I'm going to point my smart money move. So you can see here, why am I taking interest in this very coin? The reason is because there was a smart money move. You can see this long candle, okay, coming right down, Marubozu candle. If you have watched my previous videos, you will see that I have actually made mention of this very candle. So this was a bearish engulfing candle, so creating an area of liquidity, and that area was filled here because price actually came down, played down, then came up and wicked the area before going down again. Remember, every liquidity point on chart must always be filled. It is a law in charting. Why? Because the banks, the hedge funds, they must always come back for their money. And there was a book I read by Robert Kiyosaki. He said, in the game of Monopoly, the banks don't lose. The banks never run out of money. So just what you see in the game of Monopoly is what you're seeing play out here on chart. So chart is just like a graphical denotation of that theory, you know, of that theory held by Kiyosaki in his book, like I said, I read. So you can see this area has actually been filled. This area of liquidity has been filled. So now that is not our point of interest. Our point of interest is actually this market structure. So price came and down. Then here, okay, price came here, gave a lower high here, and then a lower low here. So now from this, the reason for this structure line is to actually find out whether the market is still going to go down by creating more lower highs or lower lows, or the market is actually going to reverse by creating a higher high and higher low. So like what you're seeing here, looking at the downline here, price did not break lower. Can you see this? Price did not break lower than this line. I don't know if you can see this line. Price never broke lower than this line. But now look at what price is. Price actually broke higher, meaning there is a change of market sentiment to a bullish direction. I don't know if you can see it. So there is a change of market sentiment to the bullish, to the upward direction, which is actually the bullish point. You can see here, I don't know if you can see this line actually crossing here. And then this point, price broke higher, meaning there is a change of market sentiment. I don't know if I can, let me put it here. Okay. So looking at what we have here, I actually want this up. Okay, sorry, let me delete it. So I want this up so that you can see that there is a change. Okay, okay, very important because market structures, every market or everything in life has structure. So don't expect the market not to have its own structure. This is very important. So the market too has its own structure. If this price had broken lower than this, that means we would have had a lower low. No, because this price never broke lower than this line, but it actually broke higher than the last high that we had. So that is why you are now saying that price has broken higher. Reason why there is now a change of sentiment to the bullish trajectory. You must always notice the market has structure. So you must obey the market structure because trading against the structure will be again will be you playing against the market itself or the market forces. I don't know if that has been established, so I'm sure you have actually gotten that point. So I'll get this out and I will leave this. So now the next thing we are going to do, because there is a change of sentiment from bearish to okay, because there is a change of sentiment from bearish okay to bullish, you're actually going to look for your bullish engulfing candle. Now, a bullish engulfing candle that actually shows the play of smart money, their entries. I know you're going to see a lot of candles that is actually looking like bullish engulfing and stuff, but you have to look for the one that actually signals the entry of smart money. Why? Because the smart monies, they must always and always come back for their money. They are the controllers of the market. You can't beat them. The most you can do is to join them, is to actually see clues that they leave on chart. Then when you see those clues, you actually trade in consonance, in agreement, in alignment to the clues they leave because their moves on chart will always leave clues. You have to know this, guys. You don't have to forget this. The move of smart money is on chart must always leave clues. So your interest, your job, your most important job as a trader is to actually find the clues that they are actually leaving on charts. Then when you find the clues, your next job is to trade in alignment with the clues that they are leaving on charts. I don't actually know if that is making sense. So if it does make sense, please drop your comment in the comment section. I really want to know if this is making sense to you or not. Smart money is their entry or their exit must always leave clues on chat. Very important. So now, looking at this chart now, you agree with me that the area that signals a smart money entry on this very chart is actually this area. Very important. So this is the area that signals it, because there is actually, you can actually say there is a break of structure here. You can actually see this. Sorry, let me make that up so you can see there is actually a break of structure here. So looking at this, you now have to spot your engulfing candle. Very important. Sorry, let me turn my this down. The next thing to do is to spot your engulfing candle, and then you draw out the area. I don't know if you can see it. So this is actually very perfect, because the smart man, they must always, no matter how far price goes, they must always come back for their monies. It's a rule in trading you can't do away with. So you have to first of all look for where there is a break of structure. Okay? Sorry, this is not actually even perfect. Okay. I think that you can see it. So you actually look for that candle that actually gives a perfect break of structure. Then look for the sponsor candle before that break of structure, or the sponsor candle responsible or signaling that break of structure. So here you can actually see this bullish engulfing candle here. Now you can see the play here. So let me go to the start. Okay, so this candle actually extends to here where there was a break of structure. Price came, came down and then broke the structure, did as if it was going higher, came for this liquidity zone, and then came back to retest this demand zone. Very important. Price came down to retest this zone called, came back to retest. Oh God, what is happening? Came back to retest the zone called the demand zone. Very important. This is actually very important. So after retesting this demand zone, gave this retest the first time, went up again, now came and gave this retest the second time. Now I know if you can look closely, you must have heard me, severally talk about the shooting star candle. I have mentioned it in the other videos or other analysis. So if you've not actually gone through my other analysis, I think here and now is the right time for you to go over them, because if this is your first time, you may not really be able to understand or to comprehend what I am actually trying to say here. So you really have to go back to watch my other videos on my YouTube channel, which is actually called the Crypto Wiz channel, to actually hear or get to understand some of the things I am mentioning or talking about here. So here you can see our shooting star candle, and it is at a supposed zone. Very important. Wherever you see a shooting star candle at a supposed zone, it therefore means that there is a lower price rejection by either buyers or sellers. So as you can see here, there is a lower price rejection. Okay, if I can take it, if I can actually maximize this, you can see this is the open. Okay, this is actually price came down to this very low, and then immediately it was abruptly rejected. I don't know if you can see, it was immediately rejected, meaning there is a gross concentration of buyers at this zone. You don't have to leave this. You don't have to, you can actually sleep on it. There is a gross concentration of buyers at this zone. Don't forget this. This is a very important market. So, because there is a gross concentration of buyers at this zone, meaning if you can enter at this zone, you have actually launched a good entry. So now question is UNIUSDT a buy or a sell? From this analysis, you will agree with me that UNIUSDT is actually a good buy from this very analysis. So it is a good buy. So guys, you have the money. Please launch your entry now because UNIUSDT is offering once again a buy opportunity. So guys, to get your perfect entry for this very crypto coin, please don't forget to visit the description section of my YouTube channel called the Crypto Wiz channel. That is CRYPTO, then WIZ, Crypto Wiz channel on YouTube. There I'm going to be dropping the perfect entry and then the perfect exit, that is the profit potential of this very crypto coin before us, called UNIUSDT. So guys, what is stopping you? What are you still waiting for? Dive straight to my YouTube channel, the Crypto Wiz channel, and get the perfect entry and then the profit potential of this very crypto coin. Guys, I can tell you for free, the coin right before us has the potential of doing a 1000% surge. You can hold me down on this. So this coin before us is going to give a 1000% surge in the medium to long term. So guys, what are you waiting for? Launch that buy now. Launch that buy now. And to get the perfect entry, please visit my YouTube channel. There's a description section of my YouTube channel for you to get the perfect entry so you can actually get into this very potential coin now and then ride with price even as price rallies to a 1000% surge in the medium to long term. So guys, please get on this and let's ride with price together. And don't also forget guys to click when you visit my YouTube channel at the Crypto Wiz channel. Don't also forget to click the like button in front of you. Don't also forget to click on the share button so others out there can also get the opportunity of listening to, of watching, and of learning what you are actually exposed to. Don't also forget to click on the subscribe button right in front of you such that subsequent signals dropped on this very channel, the Crypto Wiz channel, you can get a direct notification. And lastly, don't forget to drop your comment and your questions, and be sure to know I'll be right here and right there to actually attend to all your comments, all your questions in the comment section. So guys, don't just view this and go off. Click on the like button. Once again, click on the share button and then click on the subscribe button. Let's ride with price together. Thank you guys, and please watch out for the next analysis that's gonna come to you in the short term period. So guys, get on it now and let's do this together. Thank you guys, and bye for